Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the table on your Microsoft Office Word web. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a table on a Microsoft Office Word web? You just click on insert option here and just click on the top menu. You can see you can choose the table. You can see the numbering on the top. You can select up to 10 into 8, or you can also select 3 into 2, 3 into 3 like this. So after selecting or inserting here, you can see open the table design and table layout has been opened here. Here you can add header, add the header row column, and also there is a different type of style here. So to change the pattern of the table, actually like this, you can easily resize the table. And you can change here. You can also change the color by using this particular option, change color option here. And this is shell shading. You can use this too, and click on the more color option. You can have a color wheel, or you can also type the code and you can use the color. And also border section. So if you want a thick border like this, you can make it like this, and you can just choose the border color like black. So for entire document, actually it's a black color. You can also make a different type of weightage for the different type of borders and colors also. So for whenever you just click on the table design automatically open and you can use it. And you can also have a table layout here. There is a lot of options to center the alignment, merge the cell, or creating a new rows and columns, deleting the rows and columns, and to arrange the merge the cell and whatever that every options are here. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is the signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.